In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from your Chime Credit Builder Card to Cash App. Whether you're new to these platforms or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step so you can complete your transfer quickly and easily. First things first, let's open up the Cash App on your mobile device. Once you have it open, look for your profile icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that. This will bring you to your account settings, where you can manage various aspects of your Cash App account. Now, in the account settings, you need to navigate to the section labeled Linked Banks. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says Link Debit Card. Tap on this option, as this is where you'll be able to add your Chime Credit Builder Card to your Cash App account. Next, you'll need to enter your Chime Credit Builder Card details. This includes the card number, expiration date, and any other information requested. Make sure to double-check everything before moving on to ensure there are no errors. Once you've done that, complete the verification process as prompted. This step is crucial for ensuring that your card is securely linked to your Cash App. After you've successfully linked your Chime Credit Builder Card, it's time to go back to the Cash App home screen. From here, you'll want to look for the option that says Add Money. Tap on that to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the amount of money you wish to transfer from your Chime Credit Builder Card to your Cash App balance. Carefully input the amount, making sure it's exactly what you intend to transfer. Once you've entered the correct amount, you'll need to select your Chime Credit Builder Card as the payment method. This ensures that the funds will be drawn from the right source. Finally, it's time to confirm the transaction. Review all the details to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're certain, go ahead and confirm the transaction. The money will then be added to your Cash App balance, ready for you to use as you please. And that's how to transfer money from a Chime Credit Builder Card to Cash App. By following these steps, you can seamlessly move your funds between platforms, giving you easy access to your money whenever you need it. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your finances with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy transferring.